In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a rental on Zillow 2026 guide. By the end, you'll be able to move smoothly from browsing to submitting your application with confidence, using Zillow's digital-first tools to stay competitive. Start by initiating your search. Type a city, a specific neighborhood, or a zip code into the Zillow search bar. Once your area loads, use the interactive map to zoom in and out. This helps you align results with your preferred commute, nearby amenities, and overall lifestyle so you're not wasting time on places that don't fit your day-to-day. Next, apply custom filters to narrow the field. Set a realistic price range, then select the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you need. Adjust the move-in date to surface homes that will be available when you are, which is essential in a fast-moving market. In the More Filters section, toggle features that matter to you like pet policies, parking options, or in-unit laundry. The goal is to balance must-haves with nice-to-haves so you see strong matches without excluding good possibilities. When a property looks promising, open the listing and evaluate it carefully. Review the photos and any available floor plans to understand layout and condition. Read the description for details on utilities, included appliances, and community amenities. Confirm on the map that the location works for your routine, from work and school to transit and groceries. While you're there, scan for notes on application fees, minimum qualifications, or screening requirements. These details set expectations and help you prioritize listings that truly fit. Now move into the application process. You'll typically see one of two options. If you see Apply Now, the landlord accepts online applications directly through Zillow's internal flow. If you see Request to Apply, the landlord likely uses an external form or their own process. Click the button shown and follow the prompts. Request to Apply signals your interest and usually provides clear next steps or a link from the property manager. Finally, it's time to submit. Read the listing and any on-screen instructions carefully, since each property can have unique criteria and timelines. Complete all sections accurately and submit with confidence. Zillow may prompt you for a background check, a credit report, and income verification as required by the manager. Having your information organized and double-checked helps prevent delays and keeps you competitive. And that's it. By focusing your search, filtering thoughtfully, evaluating thoroughly, and following the application prompts, you'll move from browsing to applying with complete confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.